This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Shopify questions or tasks on demand.
Hi everyone, so the question is, how do you set up site-wide discounts on your Shopify where a customer doesn't have to add a discount code to their cart in order to get the discount? And I'm going to show you how to do that. There was a tag onto this question, how do I also set it up where my POS system isn't affected? Maybe you just ship these products from home. And this is a side note on that. Automatic discounts aren't applied to the POS system. So it's not even going to work on your POS system. All right. But I'm also going to show you how to select certain items where you want this site-wide discount to be affected. And it's super, super easy. All you have to do is go to discounts in your Shopify admin. And we're going to go to automatic discounts right here. Okay. And you can see I have a few automatic discounts right here already. If I didn't have any, the button would be right here, create an automatic discount. Mine's up here. So create discount, and we go to automatic discount. So just give it a title. Maybe you're doing a flash sale for 50% off site-wide. Okay. And you can choose between 3 different types. You have percentage, fixed amount, or buy X, get Y. So you can do, like I said, the 50% off. You can do $20 off if you buy, $100 worth of product. Or you can do, if you buy 2 candles, you get an extra one free, etc. Okay, so we're going to set our discount value here, which is 50%. And then this is where you set, if you wanted a specific collection, say, like I said, you're shipping certain products from home, but you also have a POS system. So what you want to do is you want to create a specific collection or, specific products that you'd want to select that you'd only want this site-wide discount to affect, okay? Or you can do entire order. It's completely up to you. So you can either select minimum purchase amount or minimum quantity of items. Say if they have to buy, 5 shirts in order to get the discount, or they have to buy, like I said, $100 worth of product in order to get the discount. If you don't really want to put a purchase amount, you just want it to be, $20 or whatever, you can just put it has to have a purchase amount. I think it's maybe a cent. So something has to be there, obviously, for an order to go through, So we're just going to do that. This is where you're going to enter your date. Say you want this to be at a future date for this to go live, or you want it to go live now. You can select that. Just select your start date and your start time. You can also select your end date and end time as well, if maybe it's 24-hour or whatever you want to do there. Okay, so that is super simple. All you have to do is click Save Discount. And there you go. Our discount is active and ready to go. Obviously, it says expired because I didn't put a set date. But if you put a set date there, it would say active or at a future date. Another side note with this is that this can only be the discount that you have on your site because discounts cannot be combined on Shopify. So if you have free shipping, etc., this will override any other discounts that you have. Okay? Hope that makes sense, and I hope you guys have a great day.
Was this helpful? Ask a Shopify question now. AskQuesty.com.